Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B0028-12 indicates a serious issue with the right side airbag inflator circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 model. Specifically, this code signals a short circuit to power in the inflator, which can lead to improper airbag deployment during a collision. The airbag system, known as the SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, consists of various components, including the airbag itself, the SRS unit, and corresponding wiring. When a voltage reading exceeds predetermined levels within the SRS unit, it registers this fault. This can be potentially dangerous as it jeopardizes the safety systems of the vehicle, making it critical for technicians to address the code promptly. Understanding the exact locations of the components, such as the front passenger side airbag and the SRS unit, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. This guide will outline thorough steps to diagnose and resolve the issue indicated by DTC B0028-12. The DTC B0028-12 signifies a short-to-power condition within the right side airbag inflator circuit. The primary components affected by this code include the front passenger side airbag and the SRS unit. The front passenger side airbag is located within the dashboard on the passenger side, serving the crucial role of inflating to protect the occupant during a collision. The SRS unit, also located in the vehicle's dashboard area, monitors airbag status and controls deployment during an accident. When there is an abnormal voltage detected on the communication line within the SRS unit, it triggers the DTC. Therefore, ensuring these components are functioning properly is vital for the vehicle's safety features to operate effectively. Identifying the possible causes of DTC B0028-12 is essential for an effective troubleshooting process. One common cause could be short circuits in the wiring associated with the right side airbag inflator. This can happen due to wear, corrosion, or accidental damage to the wiring harness. Another potential cause is a faulty airbag component, likely stemming from manufacturing defects or physical damage from a collision. Additionally, a malfunctioning SRS unit itself can result in this code being stored due to its inability to accurately monitor signals. Understanding these potential failures helps technicians narrow down their diagnostic efforts to the most likely candidates. The presence of DTC B0028-12 can manifest through several symptoms, primarily the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This light serves as an indicator that the SRS system has detected a fault and is potentially inoperative. In some cases, there may be warnings about a malfunctioning SRS system, further ensuring driver awareness of the issue. A critical concern is the risk of failed airbag deployment during an accident, which can lead to severe injury or even fatalities, as the inflatable restraints may not engage when needed. Understanding these symptoms emphasizes the urgency required in diagnosing and rectifying the error quickly to maintain vehicle safety. The first troubleshooting step involves executing a confirmation procedure to establish baseline conditions. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. It's crucial to wait for a full 10 seconds after turning on the ignition. This allows the SRS unit to perform a self-check. If the airbag warning light remains illuminated and DTC B0028-12 is still indicated, this suggests there is a fault present. Conversely, if no issues are indicated, it could imply the airbag module may be at fault. Thus, this routine check is vital before delving deeper into the diagnostic process. In the second step, focus on inspecting the front passenger side airbag for any visible abnormalities or signs of damage. This component must be thoroughly evaluated. because its condition directly impacts the SRS system's functionality. If the airbag fails visual inspection or testing results indicate abnormalities, it may need to be replaced with an OEM, original equipment manufacturer component, to ensure compatibility and safety. Additionally, verify that all connectors are secure and free from corrosion or obstruction, as these factors can influence the airbag's performance. A careful examination of this component is crucial in identifying potential failures. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the RFSA Plus and RFSA negative wires for any shorts or breaks. These wires connect power to the SRS unit and the airbag, and any damage here can lead to a misreading of voltage, leading to DTC B0028-12. Begin by disconnecting the SRS unit connector B and the front passenger side airbag inflator connector. Following this, perform an open shorted wire inspection based on the vehicle's service manual guidelines. Ensure that the RFSA Plus wire does not show a short to power while in the ignition on mode. Similarly, the RFSA negative should also not exhibit shorts to power. Any detected abnormality in these wires will necessitate repairs or replacements to restore circuit integrity. The final troubleshooting step is to inspect the SRS unit itself if previous checks yield normal conditions. The SRS unit is crucial for the assessment and management of the airbag system. If the earlier tests confirm that components such as the airbag and connecting wires are functioning correctly, then a malfunctioning SRS unit is likely the root cause of DTC B0028-12. Therefore, additional diagnostics may involve accessing the internal components of the SRS unit or substitution with a known good unit for validation. Should this component be found faulty, it must be replaced urgently to restore full functionality of the airbag systems within the vehicle. After completing the necessary repairs, it's essential to verify that the vehicle no longer indicates DTC B0028-12. This involves clearing the stored DTC codes using an appropriate diagnostic tool. Following this, conduct a test drive to allow the SRS unit to recheck its systems under real conditions. Pay close attention to the airbag warning light during this process. Ideally, it should remain off throughout the drive. If the light reappears, further diagnostics may be warranted to uncover residual issues. A successful verification confirms that the repair efforts have rectified the original fault, ensuring the safety of vehicle occupants. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC B0028-12 and similar issues. Regular visual inspections of the airbag components and associated wiring can help detect wear, fraying, or damage before they lead to failures. It's essential to take measures to prevent collision damage, as impacts can easily damage areas related to the SRS. Furthermore, promptly addressing any electrical issues that arise, such as blown fuses or disconnected wires, is vital in maintaining airbag system integrity. Conducting periodic maintenance checks, as outlined in the owner's manual, will also contribute significantly to the longevity of the SRS and its components. In conclusion, understanding the importance of DTC B0028-12 is essential in the context of vehicle safety, specifically regarding the SRS. By following outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can effectively isolate the root cause of the issue and implement necessary repairs. The airbag system's functionality is vital for occupant protection, highlighting the need for thorough inspections and prompt responses to any detected faults. Verification procedures must be adhered to ensure that repairs are effective and the airbag system operates correctly in the event of an accident. Ultimately, a diligent approach to diagnosing and addressing faults will ensure the continued safety of Honda Accord drivers and passengers alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.